Look, it's a Toy Story carnival. What? Do you see the cars? Hey, was that you, buddy? Toy Story unboxed. You want to do a car? Push it. Push it. That is so cool. Yeah, look. That's cool. This is exciting. You want to go inside? Well, 1 second. Just let him do another car. He's going to love this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Stand up, take pictures, take a look at what it is. There's more in the back.
Come here. That's cool. Look, there's Forky. Oh, those look really good. The bunny and ducky look really good. So here's the entire line. This is crazy. Oh, they have the Daredevil. That's cool. Oh, hey, look how cute you are. This is cool. Hey, look, Imaginext. Aw, this is cute. The little people. Looks really cute. There we go. Oh, here's a big Imaginext. Oh, the minis. Those look really good. Sorry, go ahead. Oh, look at that. Oh, boy. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, look. Oh, this looks way cool. There you go. And all the cars. Wow. Oh, that's cool. So they have the... I love this. The little Forky that we made. The little cars. There's all the Imaginext. These cars are cool. Oh, what? Oh, no way. Flexers. That looks awesome. They're like stretchy, like Stretch Armstrong. That's cool. And then we have, oh, like kind of like the Polly Pocket. There we go. Nice. There we go. There we go. And then the little pet patroller. Yeah? Oh, no way. It's a little glove. I like the Jessie hat. Or we'll have Bo Peep's little cane. Oh, that's cool. This is awesome. This is like so crazy. Wow. We're never going to want to leave, huh? This is like seriously so cool. Then a little further back.
And then...
That's pretty cool.
So you're going to push this button.
Okay.
Come down. And watch for your...
Watch your head. That's cool. Here, turn towards me. I like it. That's really cool. Alright, so we're at a special Toy Story Day here at Mattel. Check out the Barbie dream house. This is just like from the movie with Barbie. This is actually Ken. He had this and then Barbie moved in. And then they're trying out the little racetrack right now. We're launching some cars here. Oh. That's so cool. There we go. Oh, oh, over the loop. Oh, here we go. Oh, made it right here. This is seriously the coolest. Hey, that one did well. It crashed into the other one. Oh. is it? The lights? Look, Toy Story for baby. Wait, let's see. Okay, hey, who's this? Who's this right here? Oh, is that Buzz? Hey, look, you got Buzz on your shirt.
Yeah.
And Woody. Yeah? Oh, and Forky? Yeah, you like both of those. Wait, where's Big Forky? Where's the Big Forky? Ah. Now we're going in the dream house. Yeah. Oh, do you want me to get? Oh, you have Forky, right? Okay. Okay, going up. Bye. You're not. It's just pretend. It's just pretend. Joaquin, look.
Beyond.
And Beyond. Wait a minute. Hey, it's you. Do you want to talk for Buzz? There's a snake in my boot. Look, Slinkies. That's cool, buddy. Slinky's my favorite. And the aliens. Oh, the new cars. Oh, there's Forky.
Buzz car?
And we're excited to have you guys all
Buzz, Bo Peep. Oh, there's Buzz. Oh, this is Duke Kaboom.
Toy Story.
Oh, there's Rex.
Are you guys familiar with our character cars?
Yeah. Yes, they're the ones.
So
Yeah.
for anyone that doesn't know, character cars are basically the characters of all these big entertainment properties reimagined as a
Let's face that.
So
Here, wait,
it's
hold
not
on.
the character the car would drive, it's the character as a car. So these are all the amazing
so
ones we've done
cool.
for Toy Story.
That's actually really fun. It's like a long trip.
Oh, hold on.
You can see we've got
That's
Woody,
cool.
we got Forky, we've got Bo Peep, aliens. Carter, you gotta try again. You wanna launch it right into here. Save Ducky and Bunny.
Woo! Holy cow!
There you go.
Hold on, buddy.
Hold on.
That was way too hard.
Hold on. Hey. Let somebody do it. Let somebody do it. Here, press the button.
Press the button. Press the button. There we go.
Ready?
Press it again.
Try again.
Harder.
Slam it.
Okay, now it's some. Okay.
There we go. Okay,
Let
somebody
somebody else
else's
do
turn.
it.
Look.
I think it's a mix. Toy in a bag.
So cool. So you have stickers.
Right now, can you?
Oh, hey, you're doing a really good job. Oh yeah, I'll help you. Yeah, get the little arms on. So there's a little box of Forky that you can buy. This is so cool. You're very happy. There we go. We got a shirt. One second, I want to show off the one I made. Here we go. I mean, this would be the
That's his
item.
feet.
Hey,
That's his feet.
did I add the little Forky arms?
Oh, did you make this
Yeah,
for
I
him?
made it for him.
Oh.
And I added little Forky eyebrow, just one eyebrow.
Yeah, that's cool.
Isn't it so cool? Yeah, you like it? You can take Forky home.
Do you want to take Forky home?
Yeah.
What is this?
Forky? That looks really good. Forky is ready to go on vacation, I think. Hey, let's see. Can I see your Forky? Yeah, look at your Forky right there. That looks so good. I like it.
License plate should be a special number because that is really something secretive to the animators. And then when we get it,
We have parents looking at you here. Our back panel. Your back. Got the license plate that we were talking about. Bonnie's backpack. Bonnie's hanging out in the window here.
Oh wait,
Then we
what's the
got
license?
top
Is it A113?
And we got Forky. You know, you saw in the trailer this morning. He doesn't necessarily want to be a toy. He wants to run away, throw himself in the garbage. So he's always trying to jump out of windows. We have him here. He might jump out of this window. Hopefully not, though.
Hopefully not.
Okay, we tested it. He won't jump out of this window. But he could. It's telling the story. So really, we're trying to create that movie moment for you guys to take home and to see on the shelf and really play up and see the
Oh,
John,
So we're gonna make a buzz.
so when a part comes off, looks something like that, kind of coated, hard to tell what it is.
put it in these wash stations. It's just pressurized tap water. Blow that off and have the same thing here. So kind of everything across here is kind of like a before and after. Printers that do different things. Printers that are able to run rubber materials, rigid materials, simulate different kinds of plastics. And then this one in particular does full color. So this is a part right off of the 3D printer.